Is Betterment just a robo-advisor, or is there more? Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of financial jargon? Robo-advisors, investment platforms, oh my. Trying to figure out where to put your hard-earned money can be a real headache. Especially when companies like Betterment seem to offer a little bit of everything. So, if you're considering Betterment, a question naturally pops up: is Betterment a broker? The answer, like most things in finance, isn't quite as simple as a yes or no. Buckle up, because we're diving into the world of Betterment and what it actually does for your money. The robo-revolution, automated investing for the masses. Let's rewind a bit. Traditional investing often involved a dedicated stockbroker, someone who would manage your portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. But for many people, this personalized service comes with a hefty price tag. Enter the robo-advisor revolution. These online platforms use algorithms to build and manage investment portfolios. They ask you a series of questions about your financial situation and risk tolerance, then create a diversified portfolio based on your answers. They also handle the rebalancing and day-to-day management, freeing you up to focus on other things. Betterment is one of the pioneers in the robo-advisor space. They've been around since 2008 and have amassed a loyal following for their automated investing approach. But is that all they do? Beyond the algorithm, the broker side of Betterment. Here's where things get interesting. Betterment actually wears two hats. Yes, they offer the core robo-advisor services, but they're also a registered broker-dealer. This means they can buy and sell securities on your behalf. This might seem like a minor detail, but it unlocks some additional features for Betterment users. For example, Betterment can offer fractional shares. This allows you to invest in expensive stocks or ETFs with even a small amount of money. They can also use tax loss harvesting, a strategy that involves selling investments at a loss to offset capital gains and potentially reduce your tax bill. These features go beyond the basic robo-advisor model and provide a more comprehensive investment experience. So, is Betterment technically a broker? Yes and no. Betterment itself doesn't directly hold your investments. They partner with a separate broker-dealer, Betterment Securities, to handle the buying and selling of assets. This ensures your investments are held securely and are protected by SIPC insurance in case Betterment goes out of business. The bottom line, choosing the right fit for you. Whether Betterment's dual role as robo-advisor and broker-dealer is a good fit for you depends on your individual needs. Here are some things to consider. Investment experience. If you're a complete beginner, Betterment's robo-advisor service can be a great way to get started with investing without the overwhelm. Investment goals. For simple, long-term goals like retirement saving, Betterment's automated approach can be perfectly adequate. Level of control. If you crave more control over your investments and want to make your own trades, Betterment might not be the best choice. Remember, diversification is key. Don't be afraid to explore other options like traditional brokerages or a combination of services to create a personalized investment strategy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.